What if I told you by just adding a one single vending machine to your office, you can quietly increase your performance, improve your employees' experiences, and also generate a new revenue system, even without adding any extra employees? Sounds strange to you? Let me walk you through it. Today, offices are changing rapidly. People want speed, convenience, and choice. And companies, they prefer smart operations, lesser dependencies, and better control. That's exactly where a smart vending machines comes in into picture. A vending machine is not just a machine. It's a micro retail outlet just inside your office. Place it where natural footfall occurs. Workstations, office lobbies, breakout zones, entrances. No queues, no waiting, no dependency on pantry timings. Full time access 24 by 7. Here's what most offices miss out. A value of a vending machine truly depends on what it can deliver. Quick meals for long working hours, healthy snacks for fitness focused teams, and beverages for instant refreshment. And you know what's the best part is? You can curate the real products based on the actual demand, not just any guesswork. Today, you can place products based from product categories, snack to beverages, and to even hot meals. No one wants to carry cash anymore. With smart vending machines, payments are just effortless. We can make hassle-less transactions using UPI, RFID cards, wallets, and much more. Now transactions happens in seconds with more usage, less friction, and a better user experience. This is where it gets interesting. When employees don't feel the need to go out for grabbing a snack, they actually save their precious time and also stay focused as well. It creates a much more comfortable environment and also an environment which is safe to work. It becomes convenient. Not only this, but also it becomes a perceived employee benefit. Something as simple as a vending machine can help your employees to retain their lost energy by quickly grabbing a snack. This way, they feel more energetic and also can focus on their work more efficiently. You think managing a vending machine is complex? Well, not anymore. With connected systems, you can track sales, monitor stocks, get your refill alerts, and everything is managed remotely. Everything runs smoothly in the background, saving you time and energy. Let me quickly walk you through to the business value of it. A vending machine is not just an expense, it's an asset. It can reduce your pantry overheads, optimize consumption, and also generate additional revenue for you. And even smart vending setups have proved that when compared to a traditional setup, they generate more sales than ever. So instead of investing in some inefficient setup, you are investing in something that adds true value to your business. Next time, when you think about your office pantry crowd, don't just merely think about snacks. Think about better strategies. Because a smart vending machine is not just about convenience anymore. It is about creating a better workplace with a smarter business.